In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Excel super simply. So what you can see in front of us is we have our fruit sales data of apples for the past 6 months. What you want to do is highlight all of this. And then once you let go, a little quick analysis box opens up and you can select on the chart option. This gives you a few recommended charts and you can simply go ahead and select on pie and this will create the pie chart for you. If we select on the more options, and select on all chart in the top corner, you can see here if we scroll down to where it says pie, there's even more options to choose from and you get a quick preview as well. If you highlight or hover over it, you can see even that preview is even bigger. So you can go ahead and select on the pie that you like and then simply select on OK. Another way to do this is, of course, let's go cancel. We can select on the insert option instead, go over to the chart section, drop down the pie, and then you can see these previews again. Find the chart that works for you. I'm going to select a simple 2D pie and go ahead and drop it in. Now we're going to make this a little bit bigger by grabbing the corners of it. One thing I'm going to teach you is how you can edit the title here. So you can double click on it and you can say test title, which is cool. But if you go ahead and you're making any edits, I'll show you right now. If you make an edit to this, maybe you remove it, then put it back in, it actually resets to default. So if you want to change the title here, I'd recommend selecting on your actual data and then changing this. So we're going to call this monthly Apple sales over here in your data section, and then it will just save it no matter how many edits that you make. If you wanted to edit the way the title looked though, you can of course double click on the text here and then you can change the font, make it bolder. Sorry, let's select all of it. Let's go ahead and highlight all of it. And then you can go ahead and make it bolder. You can change the font, change the size, all that sort of stuff. You can change the color of it too. So super simple. What I'd recommend is if you're going to change the title of it, do it over here in the actual data set and then select on your data, highlight it all, and then use this section here to customize how it looks. Cool. Next, I want to teach you is how you can quickly edit how the chart itself looks. If you wanted to change the chart design, we can select on the option of chart design here. Excel has a range of preset options that are really simple. You can select on something that looks nice and leave it. You got two things you can use. You can use these preset chart designs. I'm going to select on style 7 for now. And then on the left-hand side of that, you can also choose to change the colors as well. So go ahead and play around with this to see what works best for you. But you can change the design of the chart as well as the colors as well with a couple of clicks, which is super cool. Working again with our pie chart, on the right hand, in the top right hand corner, we have this plus option, which allows us to add or remove chart elements. Say we wanted to adjust the legend, which right now is at the bottom of that chart. If we select on the arrow here, this gives us so many more areas that we can adjust that chart legend to. I think it's best having it to the left or to the right for a pie chart. Let's go ahead and put it over to the left. There are the options of more options, which I'm not going to get into today because there's so many here, but you can go ahead and play around with all these different formatting options. You can spend hours here customizing and tweaking, but what I want to show you is how you can quickly do this in a couple of minutes. So let's go ahead and that plus option, select on the arrow for your legend and move it over to the right hand side. Super easy and super cool. We can also make sure we have that chart title turned on or turned off. And then of course we can choose we want it above the chart. Is it going to be part of the overlay? If you go overlay, it sort of squashes on top of the chart, but it makes it a bigger area. Or again, you have more options, but I think above the chart is standard. And then of course you can choose to have your data labels on as well. The data labels let you see the information of that chart. So maybe you want to have everything in the snapshot here, and we can easily see the monthly sales of the apples. And if we select on the legend again, we can choose where they go. I think a data caller is quite interesting because it also turns it into a percentage. Or if we put it on the outside of that chart, it makes it even easier for you to read. If we select on the more options, Then here we can go ahead and we can customize the color and the style. But if we also select on the text options, we can go ahead and change the options of that text. So maybe we want to, but again, there's so many things to do in here, so we're not going to go through all the different formatting options. But what I would recommend is going into the Home tab, and then you can do things like change the size of that text. You can make it bolder. You can change the colors of it. So this is the background fill. So maybe we want to make that white, and then maybe we want to make the text itself black, and then it really stands out. So that's super easily how you can quickly edit and customize the chart. But what if you wanted to edit individual sections of that pie graph? Well, if we select on it, you can see here we've highlighted the entire chart. If we click one more time on that same section, we've now highlighted just that corner. If we right click on it, we can actually go ahead and edit this itself. So maybe we want to make that white, and we'll add a black border to it. And then if we right click again, we can go ahead and we can actually edit and format that data point or that style. Or we can hit reset to match style. That brings it back. But you could right click on every single section of the chart, and you could color it to however you want it to be best shown. And this allows you to really easily customize the chart. Maybe you've got a theme you're going for. Maybe you want the data to just really stand out. But what you'll see here is as we add the colors to the different elements of the pie graph, the legend on the right hand side also changes. If you wanted to adjust or change the style of the pie chart, we can select on the chart design, and then on the right hand side we can actually choose change chart element. And if we select on pie, we can actually just adjust. Maybe you wanted a pie in a pie or a 3D pie. Select on OK, and then this will customize it as well. The last thing I want to show you is how can you actually save this out of Excel, and maybe you want to turn it into an image that you can put into a PowerPoint, for example. Once you're happy with how your pie chart looks, you can right click on it, and then you can scroll all the way down to where it says save as picture. The dialog box is going to pop up. I'm just going to save it to my desktop really quickly. I'm going to call this pie chart demo. Under the save image, PNG is probably the best option, which is also set by default. And then go ahead and select on save. And then if we go to our desktop, we can see we have the image here. Let's double click on it. And then you can see we have the image export of our pie chart. And it is that easy to create and save a pie chart in Excel. Of course, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos linked down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.